The new biography Finding Freedom delves into Meghan tenure as a senior member of royal family, the often racist coverage from tabloids, her rupture with her father Thomas, and the tension between her and other residents of the palace. Here we go with the 5 essential facts gleaned from the book. According to authors, Meghan and her sister-in-law Kate Middleton are not the best friends, but also not at war with each other. This runs counter to narrative peddled by British tabloids, which have often portrayed their relationship as a straight-up cat fight. Instead, the two had struggled to move past the distant politeness of when they first met. The royal members have a surprising affinity for seasonal gifts. According to the book, Harry has given his grandmother, the Queen of United Kingdom, a shower cap with the phrase, "Ain't life a bitch?" Before Harry was with Meghan, Kate gave him a "Grow Your Own Girlfriend" kit. According to biography, Harry and Meghan axed their son Archie's night nanny during her second shift for being unprofessional and irresponsible. The nurse did a fine job, but Meghan compared her unfavorably with the night nanny. Neither Harry nor Meghan found themselves comfortable sleeping through the night without going to check on Archie regularly. While William was publicly supportive of Meghan and Harry after they went public about their relationship, but in private he shown his concern about the speed at which Harry's relationship was developing with Hollywood actress he hadn't known for long. Harry didn't like it. He was pissed off that his brother could ask him such a thing. Meghan's father Thomas Markle has spoken negatively about the couple in numerous interviews, but Meghan still cared about him. Meghan arranged for him to fly to London after their May 2018 nuptial, but he didn't come. As much as she was hurt and humiliated, she wanted him to be there and was willing to move on. She was worried about him. She honestly wasn't sure if he was actually okay. His behavior was weird toward his daughter. When Archie was born, Meghan and her mother texted Thomas about the good news because Meghan didn't want him to know after the rest of the world. But Meghan left it there because she didn't want to know whether the father replied to her mother's text or not.